Coco Eve Hair Mask. It is restorative, it is reparative, it's very generous. This is before. Coco Eve Fig and Coconut. Oh my gosh, what a combination. Fig and coconut, shea butter, and argan oil for hair restoration and repair. Conditioning mask you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and watch what it does. It is supposed to show significant results in the first use. That's what we're about to see. It comes with the helpful pamphlet with lots of information, as well as this terrific brush that helps you get to the root of it. So we're gonna apply this very generous mask, and oh, it smells delicious. It comes in this safely sealed jar with the opening here. Oh my gosh, it looks like butter. So we're gonna apply it. Oh, it feels so luxurious. I'm gonna put it all throughout my hair, and especially from the mid to the ends. It is natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. It has won lots of international awards, and it is so deep conditioning that you can see the results in just one use. Sensory delight, coconut and fig. I don't know if you've ever tried that combination before. It is absolutely awesome. It's very fruity and earthy and beachy and just delicious. So we put it all in. I'm going to give it a deep hair massage by applying this brush. Oh, that feels so good. It feels very conditioning already. You can feel the luxury oils penetrating my scalp, so I can imagine what it's doing for my hair. Read a book, take a nap, whatever you want to do in 10, 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Oh my gosh, it is so conditioned. My hair looks amazing and it feels amazing. And I wish I could share with you how great it smells. This coconut, fig, shea butter, argan oil that comes in Coco Eve is incredible. It really did help my hair feel restored in just one application. I love it. I loved having this extra brush that helps it reach deep into your scalp and give you a scalp massage at the same time. You cannot go wrong with Coco Eve. I absolutely highly recommend this restorative hair product.